Hey guys, Anton here from GT Canada. Today we're installing a LED headlight kit on my wife's Mercedes ML550. This is W164 chassis code, so it should work on any of these similar chassis codes, no matter if it's a 550, 350, 300, whatever. It'll work on all of them. So the first thing we're going to look at, this is an LED conversion kit. And this kit does not come with anything fancy. It simply is a LED, no ballast, no nothing. And you will have to do some fancy wiring yourself to make this work. Just for reference, this is what the headlight looks like, the regular one. It has a built-in ballast on the back. This is a sub-ballast. There is another ballast in the car, and we need to bypass that ballast. The reason why I'm doing this swap is that this light actually stopped working. I replaced it about 2 months ago and it's already not working. So I want to just get rid of all the ballast. I want to get rid of everything and just go straight to a LED system so that I don't have these ballasts getting in the way anymore. Taking the headlights out are easy enough. All you do is pull the cover off of here. This is the headlight. Pull that cover off and then twist and pop this out. Then what we need to do is pull this bracket off so that we can attach it onto the new headlight. So this just pops off like that and then slides right off. And then this slides on basically the same way. There is a little notch on here and you can see there's the notch, and we want to line that up with that right there, and then that snaps on. And that is ready to go back in. And all I do is just rotate it around until it feels like it's in the right spot. So now it's in there. I can't get a great shot of it, but it is in place. So the next step is to wire in the power. Now, I don't want to go in looking for the ballast or anything, so I'm going to abandon the existing ballast. And what I'm looking at here is this wire right here. I'm just going to peel this back and then meter to figure out which wire has the switched power for the low beam bulbs. And then I'm going to tell you so that you don't have to do that. I did have to tug on this just to get it up enough, but once it's up here, I'm going to just cut this insulation tape back so that I can figure out which wires are actually my switched power. You should always use a sharp knife, not like me using a dull one. That exposes my wire cluster here, so I can figure out which one I need to use. So these wires are actually kind of clustered together. So I'm looking at this cluster right here, and I believe that my low beam will be this orange and this black wire. So I'm going to get my wire strippers and I'm going to just peel open those wires like that, and that allows me to meter them with the lights on and off, just to be sure. And hopefully I'm right, otherwise I'm going to have some stripped wires that I didn't need to strip. So on the topic of these wires, on the driver's side, I had to probe a lot of different wires before I got the right two. So I have my positive wire on the purple wire, and I have my negative wire on the orange or brown wire. And that is in a cluster of wires that includes the orange, the purple, a light blue, and a dark green wire. So if you're in that group, then you should be okay to just tap into those wires to make your headlights work. And on the other side here, I hooked up to the brown wire and it looks like a black with a white stripe. So I'm still about to tape that one shut just to seal it off, but the lights are working now. So the good news on this, I had these error canceling resistors, but I didn't actually need them because I left the ballast running inside of here and added the LED lights to the circuit, so it doesn't know that the circuit's not working. So all of the errors for the headlights have gone out. I will continue to monitor and see if they come back. Hey, thanks for watching another GT Canada video. We got lots of great stuff in store, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest stuff as we upload it. Comment below and watch the next video.